Bosnia and Herzegovina, one of the most overlooked countries in Europe. Most people never even consider it when planning to move abroad. No huge migration hype, no viral dream country image, and yet, quietly, some foreigners are now looking toward Bosnia for affordable living, lower competition, and realistic international opportunities. But here's the reality. Bosnia is not the luxury Europe dream people imagine online. This is not Germany. This is not Switzerland. And if your expectations are unrealistic, you may become disappointed very quickly. So the real question is, can Bosnia and Herzegovina actually help you build a future in 2026? Or is it simply another low-income Balkan country with limited opportunities? Today, we are going to break down the complete reality of Bosnia work visa, including jobs, salaries, cost of living, visa process, and the hidden truths most people discover only after arriving. Because for some people, Bosnia becomes an affordable and peaceful lifestyle opportunity. But for others, it may feel financially limiting. Now first, understand one important thing. Bosnia is still a developing economy. That means lower salaries, smaller industries, and fewer opportunities compared to major European countries. But at the same time, living expenses are also significantly lower. And honestly, that affordability is exactly what attracts some foreigners. Now, let's talk about jobs. Most opportunities exist in sectors like tourism, restaurants, hotels, construction, factories, warehouses, manufacturing, customer service. There are also opportunities connected to remote work, online business, and international freelancing. Now here's the important reality. This is not a high-salary country. Average salaries may range around 400 to 1,300 euros per month, depending on industry, skills, language ability, and experience. Now, compared to Western Europe, these salaries are definitely low. But here's the important part many people ignore. Daily living costs are also much cheaper. And because of that, some foreigners with online income, remote jobs, or foreign currency earnings can actually live very comfortably here. And honestly, this is one of the reasons Balkan countries are slowly becoming more interesting internationally. Now let's talk about living expenses. Rent may cost around 200 to 700 euros. Food and utilities may cost between 200 and 500 euros. Transportation is relatively affordable. So overall, Bosnia remains one of the cheaper countries in Europe. But now comes the hidden reality social media rarely shows. Lower-cost countries also come with slower economic growth and fewer career opportunities. Job markets are smaller, career progression may feel limited, and salaries may not increase quickly. This becomes important for people expecting instant European success. Now let's talk about visas. Bosnia offers pathways including work visas, business-related stays, seasonal opportunities, and long-term residence possibilities in certain situations. But honestly, long-term success depends heavily on your skills, your income source, and your planning. Now let's talk about language. English works in some tourism and younger environments, but local language skills still help significantly for communication, work opportunities, and integration. Now here's another important reality. Some people move to Bosnia not because they want huge salaries, but because they want lower stress, affordable lifestyle, peaceful living, and financial balance. And for certain personalities, that becomes more valuable than chasing expensive countries with extreme pressure. Now, here's the biggest mistake people make. They think every European country automatically guarantees wealth and luxury life. That is simply not reality. Smart migration is not only about salary. It is about affordability, opportunity, stability, and sustainability. And honestly, some lower-cost countries can provide a more balanced life than expensive economies. Now, Bosnia is not for luxury lifestyles, massive salaries, or instant financial success. Bosnia is more about simplicity, affordability, peaceful living, and realistic expectations. And for the right person, that can still become life-changing. Because the truth is, some people spend years chasing perfect countries, while others quietly build stable lives in places most people completely ignore. So the final decision depends on you, your mindset, your expectations, your financial goals. Bosnia and Herzegovina may not be Europe's most famous country, but for the right person, it can become a surprisingly peaceful and affordable opportunity. And sometimes, the countries nobody talks about today become tomorrow's hidden opportunities. If you want deep global analysis and practical insights about countries, visas, immigration, cost of living, jobs, salaries, student pathways, and real-life opportunities, make sure you subscribe to the World Guide, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments so you can plan smarter for your future.